Welcome to a brief walkthrough video of Draw My California Community. This tool was developed by California's statewide database to facilitate public access to California's statewide redistricting process. Draw My California Community can also be used to develop input that users can share with their local redistricting processes. This video will demonstrate how. To use the tool, you can either create an account and log into Draw My California Community or work on the map as a guest. If you create an account, you can save a draft of your work and come back to it later. If you don't have an email address or do not wish to create an account, you can always use the guest option. But remember, you won't be able to save your work. Please follow my cursor as I point out various features throughout this walkthrough. On the side panel, click the arrow next to the words Describe your community to expand this section. First, give your community map a name. Then, respond to the prompts in this section. Try to describe your community in a way that will demonstrate who is part of your community and what is important to you. When you are done describing your community, click Draw Your Community to expand this section. In this section, you will find the drawing tools and everything you will need to draw a map of your community. The drawing tools allow you to move the map, add areas to your map by clicking, add areas by rectangle, add areas by freehand, and remove areas from your map by clicking or by rectangle. You can also use the Undo or Redo buttons to undo or redo changes you just made to your map. To begin working with the map, navigate to the location of your community. Zoom in and out of the map using the plus and minus buttons, or use your trackpad or the wheel on your mouse to zoom in or out. You can also search for a specific location using the search feature. A pin will appear at the location you search. To move the map, use the pan tool to click and drag on the map area. The pan tool is automatically active when you open Draw My California Community. The drawing layer that is displayed on the map at any given time is the layer you can use to draw the location of your community by using the drawing tools. Right now, we could see the county lines displayed, which means we could add counties to the map. The drawing layer is controlled by zoom. Zooming in from the county level will switch the drawing layer to cities and towns, tribal areas, then tracts, and finally blocks. You can find out which drawing layer is currently visible on the map underneath the Draw Your Community section in the sidebar. If you want to use a specific drawing layer, click the Choose Drawing Layer drop-down list below the drawing layer label. Choose the layer you want to work with, then zoom to whichever view works best for you. By switching between drawing layers, you can create your map to be as accurate as possible. To refine my map, I'll now zoom into the blocks layer and add a few blocks. When you're happy with your community map and description, you can export the files associated with your community by clicking the Export button at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and choosing a name for your file. You will be able to compress and then download a zip file containing a CSV, shapefile, and PDFs of your community map. Once you save your community map, you will additionally be able to export an equivalency file of your community map if you so wish. Once you export your files, you can email your map and written input to your local redistricting process. For more information, please click the link to our user guide below. Thank you for your participation in this important process.